Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Asterix Solution. So last video we saw how to create a folder, how to delete a folder, how to move a file, how to copy a file within HDFS. Now let's say you have a new dataset and now you want to shift that dataset from your Linux to your HDFS. Obviously Linux is the local system, whereas your HDFS is the your system where you are going to work on it, or your virtual system which MapReduce will understand. So this video I am going to show you how you can shift your file from Linux to HDFS. Now let's say on my desktop here there is a file by name dataset.txt, and in my HDFS I have a folder structure which says user slash asterisk slash new. So just to show you that, I'm going to do what, Hadoop fs hyphen ls slash hyphen r slash user. With hyphen r you can get all the details. I should have put yeah, I will do what, I'll just put asterisk here, so you'll get only the folders about asterisk. So I've got slash user slash asterisk slash new. Now I want to move this file dataset.txt here in my HDFS. So the command to shift my file from Linux to HDFS is Hadoop fs hyphen put. So the command is Hadoop fs hyphen put, and source file and the location in my, so source is going to be from my local file Linux because I am shifting from Linux, and destination address is going to be from my HDFS. So now what will be my command? I'll do what, I will change my location to desktop so that I have easy access to the file, or else I have to write the whole path. Now as per the command Hadoop fs hyphen put, I have got dataset.txt, and which location so this dataset.txt is the location from my Linux system, and the source, now the destination is from my HDFS. So it will do what, it will put my file dataset.txt inside my folder of asterisk in HDFS. Now let's see, let it work. It's already done. What I'll do is just try to run the file and see whether it is available there or not. Yeah, you can see the file is being shifted from asterisk to HDFS. Sorry, from Linux to HDFS. Now let's say after submitting the file, I had some changes to be done. So in the initial of the file, let's say I write Kartab Nakhwa from Asterix solution, and now I save the file. Now I want to move this file. I want to move this file on again in the HDFS and overwrite the existing one. So same command I have to use, and just I have to add a parameter here, an argument here by name hyphen f, which will do what, which will override my already existing file. Just to clear that off, what we'll do, we'll increase the size of this file by copy pasting the whole stuff again so that the file size get increased. And so I have not yet pasted it there, I just want to show you that it overrides that. So I save it, and I am calling the earlier command of -h now with -h. So -h gives you the size of the files as well. Let's see what is the size of okay, I will just check for in asterisk new. So let's see what it does here. Yeah, so the size of my file is 46.2 KB, and I now again want to shift dataset.txt to the new folder, and I want to overwrite the existing file. So to overwrite the existing file, I am going to run the same command with an argument of f hyphen f. So hyphen f will help you to override if the file already exists. So file has been moved, and now if I try again with -h, you can see that the file size has been increased, means whatever I have pasted, the file is being overwritten now. The whatever file was available is being overwritten. So this is how you shift an already file from Linux to a file in HDFS. Do subscribe to our channel and be glued for the next video. You can see how we put the data back on local machine from HDFS. Thank you.